Extetensions. This is my first video shoot ever, and this is going to be a breakthrough for me. I'm here with my sister, the natural hair advocate, here because I want to pre-pull. Okay, she is going to pre-pull my hair.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Francis. I am your natural hair advocate and a consultant based in Abuja, Nigeria, and I have my sister here, Ekemini, Special.
Her clients.
Ekem Special. So she wants to do a pre-poo, and I asked her to come to the camera. Let me show my beautiful sister to the world. That is not the only issue. Yesterday when I was looking at her hair, I was like, the volume has reduced, and she revealed to me that she actually trimmed her hair.
I did.
She's I don't know, she's quite experimental, like when it comes to hair. She actually colored her hair against my will,
and I'm telling you, don't try it because you won't enjoy it. Don't color your hair.
So what are some of the things you experienced when you colored your hair?
My hair was losing volume. It was vulnerable in the sense that at every little breeze you would blow the hair off and you would see your hair flying away. Don't color your hair, don't tint your hair, don't dye your hair.
It's doing very well, much better than hers, apart from the fact that she actually have very bad hair practices. She doesn't like condition and all of that. So a good hair, like I always say, grows with consistency, with the right product and the right regimen.
I agree.
So once you have that, you are good to go.
I really agree with her because I live here with her when I'm not traveling, and I see she's done a lot of research on hair products. The best hair products for our kind of hair are natural hair. So I would recommend Ida Francis Natural Sister any day, anytime, because she has done the research. She knows what is good, she knows what is not good, and she can so advise you very well.
Okay, so I'll be using this hair growth oil, which will be coming on Ada Needed shortly. Usual, as your hair advocate and a consultant, you can reach out to me anytime you're having issues with your hair. So I'm done with our hair, and it took me about 30 minutes to finish it up, but Eti Frank, my sister, actually helped as well. This is Eti Frank, my sister, the biggest YouTuber in Nigeria.
Oh my gosh! I'm not the biggest anyways.
One of the biggest
YouTubers.
But
I'm one of the biggest YouTubers in Nigeria.
She's done doing this, and I'm looking forward to washing this hair tomorrow.
It just went natural. You have something to say. She's super excited about it, and she's like, I'm not trying to throw a shade on those that wear wig, but my sister has already abandoned wig. I mean, she's so in love with her natural hair.
Yes,
that's true.
I love my natural hair. So I did the big chop this month. So when I was traveling to Lagos, because I cut my hair like today, the next day I was leaving for Lagos, I grabbed one of my sister's wig. I was like, oh, when I get to Lagos, this is what I'll be rocking till I come back, because I'm not used to this short hair, natural hair stuff yet. So surprisingly, when I got to Lagos, I never even brought out the wig from my box. I was rocking my natural hair all through.
It feels
And
good.
yeah, I just love my hair so much. Every time I moisturize it, morning and evening, so it makes me just love my hair all the time. I always keep my hair moisturized all the time. So if you are still waiting, waiting, looking for encouragement in order for you to chop your hair, please go ahead and chop your hair. You will never know how much you love your hair until you go natural. I never knew how much I loved my hair until I go natural. No matter the fact that my hair is short, I love my hair. My hair is the best. It is the bomb. It is beautiful. It is coily and it is
I told her when she go natural, I'm going to buy her a satin hair bonnet.
yeah, and she got me. Where does it bring it?
Which she is very excited about it, and she also made a request that before she goes to bed, I should remind her to wear her satin bonnet, and I do that all the time. So I said, Etienne, take your satin bonnet, wear your satin bonnet, because we share the same room, because we are business
Partner.
So whose own is hard?
I think
that is your own. Okay. So
just use water every day on your hair, morning and evening, and you are going to love the outcome.
See you soon again.
yes, see you soon. This is our channel, Natural Sister.